Hello again, and today we will be talking all about shorts. Okay, if you're the one now watching and you have been using shorts already, maybe for a month or more than that, if you think it is helping your channel, please put your comment below, and it can really help others who will visit and watch this video how shorts actually affect your channel. Is shorts helpful? Is shorts destroying your channel? Is there a help you get because you are doing shorts? Is it hard for you to make shorts? Well, anyway, I can make a tutorial later on how to make a very good shorts, and I can maybe today I can also discuss how you will really make your shorts that you will attract people to visit more of your contents. Okay, for those who doesn't know, what is really the purpose and why do we really YouTube is introducing shorts? What is really the use of it? Okay, why will we do shorts? What can I get if I will make shorts? Okay, as far as product is concerned, which our product here is our contents, we need to advertise, we need to promote our videos, right? Actually, shorts helps us to promote our long videos. If you have a video that is like about 10 minutes or even 20 minutes or even 1 hour, people will learn about that by shorts. And why? As you see, shorts will appear there in YouTube randomly. It's like the TikTok, it's like the reels in Facebook. When you see a lot of reels, a lot of shorts, what you do, sometimes you just want to have fun in YouTube. You are in YouTube not because you're a YouTuber. Sometimes you are in YouTube because you just want to consume, you just want to watch and have fun. And what you do, you click the shorts, right? Why? Because it's only 1 minute. You get immediately what is this all about. And what will you do when you see that the shorts is really very good? I mean, the content is good, and that is already for 1 minute. That is why all of us now, we have handles in our YouTube channels. These handles are very useful. I mean, it looks like this, a handle. And all of us now, of course, maybe not if you have only 1 week, maybe after a month. With my 2 channels, YouTube channels, this one and another one that is only coaching, I get my handle, and it took only like 3-4 weeks, and I get already my handles. They can choose your handles, or sometimes if you don't like it, you can also change it. You have the opportunity to change your handles. Okay, shorts looks like this. And as you see below, you will see the name of your channel, where does the shorts came from, and you will see the name of your handle in your YouTube channel. When people will click on that handle, they will be led to or directed to the long video version of that YouTube shorts. So shorts are made from, you don't have to make shorts and make a brand new video of your shorts. Shorts are made from the long version of your videos. And the thing with that, the use with that is that shorts are being shown randomly in the shorts feed of YouTube. So when people will click on the shorts, and then it happens that your shorts, you will choose, this is how you do it. If you have a 20 long video, you have maybe about cooking, you have maybe about gardening, you have whatever about traveling, try to choose a part of that long video that really looks interesting, intriguing, attractive. And if it's something about coaching, you can actually use shorts with your coaching. You choose a part of that coaching that is really very interesting and intriguing. And in that way, people will click the handle. Once people will click the handle because they want to see, that is how shorts is made. And you can try it. Try to click some shorts. In that shorts, you click the handle. When you click the handle of that shorts, that is why, like me, this is E.S.freecoach. You see, the handle there starts at E.S.freecoach. When you click that, you will be directed to the long version of that video. And sometimes people will think that if you have a long version, they will think, oh, this is boring, this is just coaching and it's boring, or okay, I don't want to, this is like a travel video, and sometimes sometimes people will immediately judge a content by its cover, by its thumbnail, without even considering sometimes that there are actually videos that they can have a very bad thumbnail, a very uninteresting thumbnail. But when you give it a chance and try to watch that video for 5 minutes, you will see that you get a lot from that video. In my own experience, I always give it a chance to watch the video. And it's so sad sometimes that people just watch a video and doesn't consume even half of it. A 10-minute video, and they don't even try to watch it like maybe 5 minutes. Because there are a lot of videos that are really good quality. You get a lot of good information, but people doesn't give it a chance to really watch it, and they missed a lot of information from it. And in my own experience, it is really good that you give it a chance. Now, YouTube is doing it and giving people a chance to really see a part of your long video, that you will really tell people, hey, this video is actually interesting. And that is how shorts are being made for. That is the use of having shorts, of creating shorts, okay? If you are someone who have already shorts and you had experienced, the positive things that shorts give to your channel, then don't hesitate to put a comment there below. If you're not yet my subscriber, then you can subscribe, and then maybe we can help each other to grow our channel. Okay, so shorts are really very helpful. And you don't have to make another video just to make shorts. Make shorts out of your old videos. And this is also a way that if you have a video that is like 5 years old, you can make shorts out of it. And maybe that person who never watched that video of yours that is already 10-year-old, they will still go there just because of your shorts. So it's the same how Reels in Facebook works, how TikTok works, a 1-minute video. And it's just the same with the advertisement, okay? An advertisement can just be there in your YouTube for like 10 seconds. And that 10 seconds can really affect the people's decision, can really influence how people will take that product. And sometimes that is the same like how you make your shorts. If you have a video for 15 minutes, try to look at again that video. And a part of that video can be very interesting. If it's a coaching video, if it's a tutorial video, if it's a cooking, whatever, all the videos, DIY videos, choose a part that will really get people's attention. And in that way, when they will appear on the random there of all the shorts, people will click on it and they will click on the handle. And that shorts of yours for 30 seconds or 1 minute will lead these viewers to the long version of your video. What will happen? You have more possibilities to get more subscribers. You will have more possibilities to get a lot of views. People watching it that are not YouTubers, that are not content creators, you are leading them to your channel. And when you lead them to your channel, they will have the opportunity to see all your interesting videos, all your interesting contents. And if you are a cooking channel, people will say, oh, this person has always very good shorts, and his or her videos or recipes are really interesting. Okay, I will visit. And they will just click on your handle, and they will be directed to the long videos. They will be directed to your channel. So actually, frankly speaking, very simple logic. Shorts are actually created by YouTube to lead the viewers, to lead the consumers to watch your long version videos of it. It is actually a sort of advertisement that people will see, this is how this channel looks like. Okay. And that is a way where people will know you. People will see all your shorts And then don't think that short is just the same as before. Everything now is being arranged. Your channel will not look topsy-turvy anymore like before. Like, like a long video, a short video, a live, blah, blah, blah. Everything is arranged. You want to watch live, it's here. Even your live videos, you can make shorts of it. It's a lot of thing now that when you do live, and it's in my own experience, when I do live, it's totally a content. It is a content where people can consume. And it's all more about coaching. And sad to say that sometimes when the live is done, not a lot of people will watch, the replay, which is very wrong. I watch a lot of live shows, live contents of big YouTubers, and I really learn a lot from it. And even your live streams, you can really make, gamers, for example, if you make a lot of shorts in your gaming live streaming, you have more possibilities that people will go to the long version of it. So that is how shorts work. And isn't it interesting? Isn't this very good? And I will tell you, YouTube is not doing things to harm your channel, like making shorts because it will harm your channel. You shouldn't forget that every content creator's contents or videos, YouTube is earning from it. Okay? So YouTube is doing things that is for the good of all the content creators, because what you earn, that's what they earn. They get share of what you earn. So they don't do anything just to harm because if YouTube will do things to harm your channel, they are harming their money making. So we are actually helping each other. YouTube are helping the creators because they earn from it. That's how they earn. So that they get money from Google AdSense and we get money. We are sharing this money that we are the ones producing all our products, and that is our contents. So if you're somebody now listening to me and you're not starting YouTube shorts yet because you think that it's just something that is not useful, of course we don't have yet now in Sweden. I don't know in the US now if they are already starting learning from their shorts, but not as now. I heard I got a notice from my first YouTube channel that is monetized. I got already a notice that they will have another update by the month of January or February. So I know that it is really something that we can really earn. And even if we not think of the money thing when it comes to YouTube shorts, just think of the advantage it will give to your channel. And that advantage is that YouTube shorts are just like an advertisement to your long version video. It's like, hey, click on me, 1 minute, okay? And then that 1 minute, oh, this sounds interesting. Okay, I go to the long version and I want to learn more about this. Okay, a very good recipe, a very nice, that tastes so good, and a very nice picture for just 1 minute. What will you do? Okay, you will click on it, so you will lead to the long version. And that is also one thing how handles works. That is also one thing. So I will tell you, any updates, anything that YouTube does to you when it comes to things in YouTube, they are doing it to increase. It's just we, the creators and the YouTube, we are helping each other. And we have only one goal, right? To earn, to be monetized. And who of you watching here doesn't want to be a full-time YouTuber? Everybody wants it. For me, if I have to choose, I really want to do YouTube full-time. But as of now, I'm doing it part-time. It's because I need also money, to cover my needs every day. You have family, you cannot just rely on YouTube earnings on your first, maybe even after 5 years. It takes time. And we pray we pray and hope and just do the work. you don't lose anything. If ever we will not be a full-time YouTuber, if ever we will not be a big YouTuber, well, at least we earn something and we have fun. I have fun, you know. And I think this will be the last content I do now. I will tell you, this is the, I will count. I have all the papers here. If you think I'm taking here, I'm just, you know, talking. I actually have outlines. Every time I do my coaching, I have outlines. So this is, I'm talking about shorts, but this is like an extra tip, okay? I'm talking, when I do what I have to do, I have outlines of the things I will say. And of course, it's very important that if you do coaching, if you do tutorials and all this thing, you exactly already know what you will say. Because when you have already outlines, you should know what is it. And yeah, to educate yourself, yes, you have to be a YouTuber. To be a coach in YouTube, you have to be a YouTuber first. You do a lot of research. You do a lot of, it's like you go to YouTube University to learn all those things. And it's not enough. You have to be a YouTuber for at least 2-3 years, and then you will understand more. Because if you don't understand what's going on here, well, you cannot say anything about it. So if you're not yet making shorts, make now. And I will tell you, shorts is helping people. So subscribe now, like this, and then if you like, there are some friends who needs, you know, share my content. See you again next time.